Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll find the extreme value for the function on the given interval. So the function is y equals 3 sine x plus 4 cosine x, and the interval is from 0 to 2 pi, including the endpoint. So we have to find the absolute maximum and absolute minimum values for this function. So the first step is to find the derivative of the function and then set it equal to 0 to find the x values at which the tangent is horizontal, because the tangent is horizontal at the peaks and the valley points in the graph of a function. So let's start with the derivative. So in the first term, 3 is the coefficient of the term, so it will stay as it is, and the derivative of sine x is cos x. Now in the second term, 4 is the coefficient, so it will stay as it is, and the derivative of cos x is minus sine x. Now we can set the derivative equal to 0. Now 4 times negative sine x is minus 4 sine x. Now we have to solve for x. So first we should move the sine term to the left side of this equation, and that will make the sine term positive. And now we can divide both sides by cos x. So the coses on the right side will get cancelled out, and on the left side we know that sine x over cos x is equal to tan x. Now we can divide both sides by 4. So the 4's on the left side get cancelled out, so tan x is equal to 3 over 4. So we have to find the x value for which tan x is equal to 3 over 4 in the given interval 0 to 2 pi. Now here we'll have to use cast rule. So we got a positive value for tan x, 3 over 4, and as per the cast rule, tan is positive in quadrants 1 and 3. So we can start by finding the solution for x in quadrant 1, and for that we have to do inverse of tan. Now the answer for inverse of tan for 3 over 4 should be in radians, because the given interval is in radians. So I got 0.6435 radians. So this is the value of x in quadrant 1. So in quadrant 3, the value will be pi plus 0.6435. And that is equal to 3.7851. And the unit is radians. So these are the two x values at which the derivative is equal to 0. Now we have to find the absolute maximum and absolute minimum values for this function. So we'll have to find the y value for these two x values, which are the critical numbers, and the x values in the interval, the upper limit and the lower limit, 0 and 2 pi. So we have to find the y value for 4x values and then compare which of them is the absolute maximum and absolute minimum. So let's start with x equals 0. So we should sub in x as 0 in the given function. So we know sine of 0 is equal to 0 and cos 0 is equal to 1. So 3 times 0 is 0 and 4 times 1 is 4. So we get 0 plus 4, which is equal to 4. So this is the y value for x equals 0. Now we can use the x value 0.6435. So we can sub in this x value in the y function. Now we can evaluate this expression. So 3 times sine 0.6435. Now for this calculation, your calculator should be in radian mode. Plus 4 times cos of 0.5. So I got 5. Now we can do the calculation for x equals 3.7851 radians. Now we can do this calculation in our calculator. So I got -5. Now we can do the calculation for x equals 2 pi, the upper limit of the given interval. Now we know that sine of 2 pi is equal to 0 and cos of 2 pi is equal to 1. So 3 times 0 is 0 and 4 times 1 is 4. So we get y equals 4. So out of these 4 y values we got, the minimum value we got is y equals -5. So this is our absolute minimum value. And the maximum value we got is +5. So that's our absolute maximum value. So this should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.